Good morning, everyone. My name is Ramandeep Kaur, and my other group member name is Asim Rahman. Our topic is about Group HRM plan for Crown Melbourne. So now get started. So here's our first slide. It's about introduction about Crown Melbourne. Crown Melbourne is one of Australia's leading luxury hospitality providers and provides a vast array of services such as accommodation, gaming, dining, entertainment, etc. Despite all of these challenges, the organization has a high level of employee turnover, low job satisfaction, and issues in recovery in the past COVID workforce. There are concerns about fairness in employee incentive schemes and progressions at work, both of which will influence motivation and reattention. This presentation is to explore these HRM challenges, apply appropriate HR theories, and put forward strategic recommendations having the goal to promote employee engagement, improve of services quality, and contribute to the business sustainability. Moving further, slide number 3, it's about HRM theories. In this slide, we briefly introduce some key HRM theories that will be used for the analysis performed by us for Crown Melbourne. HR policy has to be aligned with stakeholder interest and should balance internal and external factors to achieve better organizational performance. The job characteristics model is the idea of adding the jobs, creating more autonomous and feedback rich jobs so that they would motivate and satisfy. Next slide is application of theories to Crown Melbourne. This slide talks to how the three HRM theories are applicable to Crown Melbourne's current HR issue. With the wind of regulatory scrutiny blowing, the Harvard model states the Crown's new HR policies need to better engage stakeholders and increase the transparency. The job characteristics model points out the regular jobs such as housekeeping require re-engineering approaches focusing on autonomy and feedback to enhance employee motivation and performance. Lastly, equity theory emphasizes trying to eliminate perceived unfairness in salary and career advancement, which are at the heart of employee dissatisfaction and the lack of reattention. The practical solution to deal with the Crohn's HR challenges follow these theories. Moving forward, the next slide is about importance of these theories. This slide examines on how HRM theories can be used to get the immediate benefits for Crown Melbourne. According to the Harvard model, HR practices should align itself with the expectation of stakeholders by engendering trust and good governance and therefore quality service delivery. According to job characteristics, model job redesign is advocated in order to increase employee motivation and job satisfaction and subsequently improve service delivery. Finally, equity theory emphasizes the significance of fairness to reward and promotion that creates a trustworthy environment. This theory helps Crown to enhance the company's employee engagement, customer satisfaction, and its relationship with long-term stakeholders. Now, next few slides will taken by my group member Asim Ramhan. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Asim Rahman, and I'm going to present how HRM can improve customer values. This slide discusses how strategy, human resource practice at Crown Melbourne contribute to increase in the customer value. Job enrichment directly results in improvement of service quality in terms of engaged and satisfied employees, empowering employees to make decisions to help them react to customer needs more quickly and create a sense of responsiveness for the organization. Fair rewards and recognition are a must in order to maintain moral and loyalty as well as customer interaction. Retention and L&D ensures employees in getting the skills needed to sustain providing services to evolving customer needs to the customer continues to be serviced with consistent quality and therefore stronger customer relationship. In this slide, I'm going to share our recommendation, and this slide presents key strategic recommendation that will come in handy in fine-tuning HR practices at Crown Melbourne to motivate and increase the job satisfaction of the employees. More task variety and autonomy need to be introduced through job redesign. Building trust and retaining the team will come from conducting equity audit and setting up a fair reward system. We also suggest running leadership development programs in line with ethical HR practices to be able to mature better management and stakeholder involvement. Continuous training in soft and growth skill will make sure grounds workforce stay relevant and offer the best services in the post-COVID environment. Now I'm going to share the expected outcomes. In this slide states the benefit that are expected from HRM recommendation put into action at Crown Melbourne. Job enrichment and leadership development will increase their staff engagement to a point where they are more proactive, ensuring that service quality will improve by introducing a fair reward system and constant of training. Employees will be able to give better customer experience. Now with these changes, employees retention will improve, improving turnover and recruitment cost. In conclusion, with transparent HR practices, there will be a rebuild of stakeholders trust and increased stakeholders morale, as well as increased stakeholder external customer loyalty, which consequently will improve and eventually gain Crown's reliable brand reputation and long-term sustainability. This final slide summarizes all the important points made in the presentation. Post-COVID shift challenges have enhanced many of the HRM challenges currently facing Crown Melbourne, including employees retention, dissatisfaction in job, and unfair reward system. We applied the Harvard model, the job characteristics model, and equity theory to identify strategic HRM interventions to surmounts the issues. The recommendation are about job redesign, fair reward system, leadership development, and continuous training in order to increase engagement and service quality. The overall aim of HRM strategy of Crown Melbourne is about aligning practices with organizational goal, building stakeholder trust, and continued stability. Before I wrap up, these are the references I used for this project. They include journal article, research paper, and that help me understand the topics better, like employee engagement, leadership, diversity, and HR practice. I made sure to pull information from credible and updated source to support the points I shared today. Thank you so much.